Here's the file, and you see the title says test sample in the file. This is test sample folder. These are test sample folders for other programs that you'll be using. Specifically, we created a playground for a user to try the program. So we are using this fictitious sample. I'll show you what it looks like. The account number is fictitious, names are fictitious, but the program will code and cross-reference, so the user, while they're practicing, will see stock that violates restriction or a dollar limit cash minimum. This mini CRM does not act as a tool that will automatically change anything. These are just note fields. Allows the user to remind themselves, oh yes, this client wanted us to keep so much money because tax is coming up, or rent and normal expenses, or this client doesn't like a certain stock for whatever reason.